Dermaptera, sometimes known as earwigs, is a group of insects recognized by their elongated bodies, distinctive pincers on their abdomens, and nocturnal behavior. They can be found in a range of habitats, including leaf, litter, dirt, plant, and behind rocks in both temperate and tropical climates. Despite their frightening appearance, earwigs play an important function in our ecosystem, functioning as predators and pests. Earwigs belong to the order Dermaptera, a relatively small group within the insect world. Their scientific classification is as follows: Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, and order Dermaptera.
Key families within Dermaptera of earwigs are classified into various families, each with unique characteristics and ecological functions. The Forficulaceae family is well known for its widespread range and diversity of species that live in a variety of settings. Tiny earwigs from the Spongiformidae family, another important family, are usually found in damp environments. The Gelisopidae family is made up mostly of tropical species with well-developed pincers. Earwigs have a long evolutionary history, dating back to around 208 billion years ago, during the Jurassic period. The fossil record reveals significant evolutionary changes, particularly in wing form and behavior. For example, many modern earwigs have thinner wings than their archaic counterparts. Phylogenetic studies show that earwigs are closely linked to other insect orders such as Platodea, cockroaches, and Mantodea. This link emphasizes a shared heritage and demonstrates the evolutionary adaptations that have enabled earwigs to thrive in a variety of environments. Physical characteristics. Earwigs differ from each other in several ways. Depending on the species, their bodies are flattened and elongated, ranging in length from 5 to 50 millimeters. Earwigs pigmentation ranges from brown to black, with reddish or yellowish undertones. Certain species have different patterns or markings. Their ability to blend in with their surrounding due to variances in size and color allows them to elude predators and adapt to a variety of hunting strategies.
Earwigs are distinguished by their cerci, which are pincers at the end of their abdomens. The size and shape of these cerci vary by species and are intended for various purposes. Males exhibit larger, more curled cerci during mating display and male-on-male fights. The cerci serve both as a defensive tool and as a mean to grasp and manipulate prey or competitors.
In earwigs, sexual dimorphism is most obvious in a cerci structure. Males usually have more visible, curled cerci when mating and fighting with other males. Females, on the other hand, have more robust body features and shorter, less curled cerci that aid in egg production and nursing.
Earwigs are avian animals with two sets of wings. The small, leathery forewings primarily serves as coverings for the membranous hindwings, which are used for flight. Many earwigs do not fly well due to their tiny wings and weak flying muscles. The form of their wings reflect their adaptation to a terrestrial existence in which flying is less crucial than tasks such as feeding and seeking shelter. Earwigs' evolution of a smaller wing suggests a change towards a more ground-dwelling lifestyle, emphasizing their adaptation to a terrestrial environment over aerial mobility. Earwigs are primarily nocturnal, which means they are most active at night. This strategy aids them in avoiding predators and managing exposure to harsh temperatures. Earwigs' nocturnal habits allow them to forage for food and find a suitable shelter under the coverage of darkness, which is crucial for their survival and predatory activities. Earwigs are omnivorous and consumes a variety of foods, including plants and insects. They eat decomposing organic waste, small arthropods, and occasionally live prey to suit their nutritional requirements. Their scavenging and predatory activities are critical for nutrient recycling and pest control. Earwigs contribute significantly to the ecosystem's health by breaking down organic matter and managing pest population. Earwigs provide significant maternal care during reproduction. Following mating, females lay their eggs in a secure area and actively guard them until they hatch. This care involves cleaning the eggs and protecting them from predators and desiccation. The maternal investment in earwigs is significant and involves both guarding the eggs and providing early nourishment for the developing nymphs, which is unusual for insects and demonstrates their complicated reproductive methods. Earwigs play a vital role as predators in many habitats. They eat a range of tiny arthropods, including aphids, mites, and other insect pests, and play an important role in regulating their population. Earwigs contribute to the ecological balance by naturally reducing the quantity of hazardous insects, reducing the demand for artificial pesticides and agriculture. The predator habits of earwigs make them valuable allies in pest management, contributing to the health of crops and ecosystems. The interaction between earwigs and plants is intricate. On the plus side, earwigs benefit plant health by eating on pests that harm crops, such as aphids. These pest control mechanisms help to prevent infestation in agricultural and garden environments. However, earwigs can be harmful to plants, especially if they feed on plant tissues or fruits. In some situations, they can harm seedlings or young plants by chewing on leaves and stems, resulting in disease growth and productivity. While earwigs play a beneficial role in managing pests, their feeding habits can occasionally result in damage to plants, making their overall impact dependent on specific environmental and situational factors. Earwigs are commonly misunderstood due to their menacing appearance. One of the most popular beliefs is that earwigs may creep inside the human ears and cause harm. However, this is untrue. The term earwig originated from the Old English folklore, where it was mistakenly believed that these insects could enter the human ears, which is not supported by the scientific evidence. The majority of earwig species are safe to people and would rather avoid interaction than do harm. Earwigs have a complex role in agriculture. On the one hand, they are helpful predators, helping to eliminate pests like aphids and mites that can cause significant crop damage. This natural pest control minimizes the need for artificial pesticides, helping to promote more sustainable farming practices. However, earwigs can be pests, especially when they feed on the young plants, fruits, and seeds. Their feeding can cause damage in both agricultural fields and gardens, resulting in financial losses for farmers. Recognizing their dual impact is critical for successfully regulating their presence in agricultural settings. In summary, earwigs are vital members of our ecosystem, acting as both predators and decomposers. They help to control the pest population, which benefits agriculture by lowering the demand for chemical pesticides. However, their eating on plant material can occasionally cause agricultural damage, demonstrating their dual impact. They help to recycle nutrients in ecosystem and improve the health of our natural habitats. Their role highlights their ecological importance in preserving balance in varied ecosystems. That is all. Thank you for listening. This is Group Dermoptera. Once again, Thank you.